Hello guys, in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily fix screen share audio on Discord in 2024 and onwards. So that's quite simple and interesting, but before starting the tutorial make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started. So first of all open up the Discord application and then you will have to click on use section on the bottom right. Once you are on this page you will have to click on the gear at the top right to head over to the settings. Now scroll down and in app settings you will find an option of voice. Simply click on it and on the top you will find an option of input mode. Make sure that it is set to voice activity, and if it is selected to push to talk it will not work and you will have to select the voice activity. And if it doesn't work you will have to go to the Play Store simply, and then you will have to search for Discord. Once you're on this page you will have to click on Discord and it says open. If it says update then you will have to update. Basically the Discord update will fix all the bugs and glitches in your application that may fix your screen share voice problem. So if you have found the video helpful make sure to like the video.